Welcome back to the Smart Bitcoin Investments channel. Today we've got an exciting tutorial for you covering 4 major exchanges. We'll show you how to buy Bitcoin using a method you might already be familiar with, Apple Pay. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, let's get started. Let's start with Coinbase, one of the most beginner-friendly exchanges out there. The first step on a crypto journey is setting up a Coinbase account. This platform is beginner friendly and a great starting point for new investors. Go to sign up and choose your account type, whether it's individual or business. From here, you'll need to enter in your first name and last name, as well as an email and a secure password. After that, go ahead and certify that you've read the terms of service and privacy policy and create your account. Coinbase will send you an email where you can verify your account and thereon begin using Coinbase as an exchange. Now let's add Apple Pay as a payment method. This will make buying Bitcoin a breeze. Apple Pay is only available on Apple devices, so in order to use Apple Pay as a payment method, you will have to use either an iPhone, iPad, or Mac device that supports Apple Pay. After you have navigated to the Buy Bitcoin screen, enter the amount that you wish to purchase and select Apple Pay as your payment method within the Pay With settings. Now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. Place your order, pay with Apple Pay, and you successfully purchase Bitcoin. Next, we have Kraken, known for its robust security features. Our first step on this crypto journey is setting up a Kraken account. Kraken is known for its security features and reliability. Go to sign up and select either personal or business as the type of account that you want to open. Afterwards, enter in your email address as well as a username, password, and provide your address. You will also need to check to continue after agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy and create your account. Next up, let's add Apple Pay as a payment method. This will make your Bitcoin purchases a breeze. From within the Kraken app, go to your list of cryptocurrencies and select Bitcoin. From here, go to Buy. Select an order type and then choose Apple Pay as your payment method within the Pay With settings. Enter the amount that you wish to purchase and go to Next. Now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin on Kraken. When you are satisfied with your order, place your order and confirm your purchase with Apple Pay. Now, let's explore Gemini, another popular exchange known for its user-friendly interface. Our first step on this exciting crypto journey is setting up a Gemini account. Gemini is known for its security and ease of use. Go to sign up, and from here, you'll need to select either individual or business as your account type. Enter in your first name, last name, as well as your email address, number, and a secure password. After reading through the terms of service and privacy policy, go ahead and create your account. Next up, let's add Apple Pay as a payment method. This will streamline your Bitcoin purchases. From the list of cryptocurrencies, go to Bitcoin and select Trade. Next, go to Buy, and from here, select Apple Pay as your payment method for this purchase. Select your order type and enter the amount that you want to purchase, and continue. Now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin on Gemini. Tap on the Apple Pay button to confirm your purchase, and now you've successfully purchased Bitcoin on Gemini. Last but not least, we have Coinmama, a convenient option for quick purchases. Our journey into the world of cryptocurrency starts with setting up a Coinmama account. Coinmama is known for its ease of use and accessibility. Next up, let's add Apple Pay as a payment method. This is also the same as credit card or debit card. This will simplify your Bitcoin purchases. From the Coinmama dashboard, select Buy. Now, select credit card or debit card, which is the same as Apple Pay, to confirm adding Apple Pay as your payment method. Select your fiat currency and continue. Coinbase will send you an email to verify the transaction. Now comes the exciting part, buying Bitcoin on Coinmama. After you have verified the transaction, Coinmama will allow you to purchase your Bitcoin using Apple Pay. Complete checkout, and now you successfully purchased Bitcoin using Apple Pay on Coinmama. And that concludes my list of the top 4 exchanges to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay. You've just learned how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay. Remember, Cryptocurrency investments come with risks, so make sure to do your research and stay informed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cryptocurrency tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy investing.